Hi everyone, welcome to Code Miraki. Today I am going to show you a quick and easy way to completely uninstall Miniconda on your Mac. If you haven't installed Miniconda yet, especially if you want to install it on your external SSD, check out my other video where I have walked you through the full installation process step by step. Alright, now let's jump right into uninstalling Miniconda. Open terminal. If Conda environment is already activated, you have to deactivate it first. For that you can just type Conda deactivate. In my case, it is not active right now. That's why I am getting this error. First thing first, we have to locate where Miniconda is installed on your Mac. So for that, I will be using which Conda command. So in this way, you can see that I have installed it on my external drive. First step would be, I will go ahead and remove this path. So if I will go ahead and check once again, it will say conda.found. Next step is remove the configuration files. rm-rf Alright, so all the configuration files has been removed. Now it's time to clean up our shell. I am using Vim here to open this file. You can use any text editor. Now here you can see I have first line is related to Miniconda. I will remove this line. Save and quit. It's time to reload the shell. Finally, let's check that Miniconda has been fully removed from our system. For that, just type conda -version. If you are seeing this message, that means Conda has been completely removed from your device. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled Miniconda from your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and share it with anyone who might need this. Don't forget to check out my other video on how to install Miniconda on your Mac external SSD. The link is right in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.